Yo, welcome to another vlog in Kyrgyzstan. Today, we're going to a sanatorium. We're riding a horse and we're enjoying time with the local people. Let's go. So what's going on? It's Mo, let's go. And we're in Kyrgyzstan. I'm in a city called Karakol. And oh my days, I love this city. It's so calm and relaxed. The weather's so much more better over here. And I miss being on camera. I miss making a video. So today I thought, let me pull out the camera and let me make a video in this beautiful city, Karakol. I've been here for the last few days and I've been hiking and I'm in so much pain right now. Every part of my body is hurting. Today's gonna be a good day. We're gonna eat a lot of local food. I'm going for local food right now. And then we're gonna get a bus to a sanatorium. I'll tell you a bit about the sanatorium later on. But right now, it's time to have some local food. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
How are you, Baba?
I am Kyrgyzstan.
Mashallah. Mashallah. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. So yeah, like I said, first thing first, we're gonna go have some lovely food, man. You can see already the people are so nice. I think this is the place to get food. I'm not too sure. I've been enjoying the local food so much and I want to show you how good it is. So we are over here where all the food is. We're gonna have some spicy noodles today, cold, and with a lot of vinegar, a lot of flavors in it. And I'm excited to show you lot. Let's go. I haven't had this yet, so this is my first time having this. But the people I met in this cafe were so good. I love the energy. So we're going there today again. Let's go. I'm coming for breakfast. So we're back at this restaurant. This is where I've been eating for the last few days. And I have some cold.
Cold.
Yeah, mashlaku.
Ash
Ash lang fu. Okay, so it's noodles,
Spaghetti.
spaghetti, sauce,
Spicy.
spicy,
Подлив.
padli.
Да.
Okay, that. Yes, please. You can see already they've got so many laid out already because this is what they specialize in. They do this all day long. They make this, everyone loves this, the local dish around here. And look at that, 2 minutes in, we already have the food. Let's go. And then we've got the cold noodles over here. And then we've got some potatoes over here.
Please.
And we've got this compote. The reason I love this so much is because it's not filling, it's very light and it's cold. And look at that, man, the flavors, the broth. They even got some spicy things inside. Oh my god, this is gonna be so nice. Man, I went for a hike and my body is hurting so much. I can't wait to go get a massage in the sanitarium. And we've got so much to do today, so make sure you lock in, watch the whole video and like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. But look at that, noodles, sauce, everything. Bismillah, let's go. And it's so nice, the flavors, so many different flavors in it. It's nice and cool, banging, the flavors are crazy. Alright, let me eat this, then we're gonna keep it moving. So let me enjoy my food, let's go. Let's pay this lady 140 and then we're gonna go on a mashuka to some area. I still need to research where I'm going, what bus I need to take, but we'll find out, let's go. £1.50 for that, and I'm nice and full.
Welcome.
Tomorrow? Okay, thank you. Alright, let's go get on a bus to where I'm going next. I need to go to the market. Basically, there's a bus station over there and they got loads of buses and then I need to get on a bus 358 or something. Alright, while walking to this bus station, I'm going to tell you a bit about the sanitarium. The sanitarium is used as a health center and a resort. It's basically where the Soviet people used to rest and relax. And we're going to go visit them. The one I'm visiting is closed. Online it says it's closed. But I heard you can still go inside. You just need to speak to a few people and you can get a massage for like £1. You get some different kind of baths and things. So we're gonna go give it a go, see if I can get inside. But yeah, it's gonna be different, it's gonna be unique. It's a very old building that was built in the Soviet times. So it's gonna be run down and it's gonna be a great experience. And I'm taking you lot with me, let's go. So these are all the buses over here. And then we're gonna find the right bus to go to the location that I wanna get to. What bus we getting? 355. 355. Let's find the 355. When you come over here, you just gotta find your bus. You gotta find the right number and you just get on it. It's very cheap. It's like 20p or something. 100 some, 50 some, depending where you're going. Salam. I want to go.
Hi, I can speak English.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
I want to go over here. Jeti-Ögüz Resort.
Yeah, this is
the bus.
one. Yep.
Perfect. What's your name?
My name is Aisol. Are you filming?
Yeah,
Oh, hi,
don't
guys.
worry. Okay, thank you. Alright, we're getting on this bus. It's always the younger people that can speak English. So if you find someone young over here, they speak English and it's easy to communicate. The older generation over here don't speak English. This is the bus we're getting on right now. You can pay by QR code or cash. And this is how the bus looks. Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
England.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm local.
You're local. Ah, nice. What's your name?
My name is Rosie.
Rosie.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Rosie.
What is your name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad?
Yeah, Muhammad. Nice.
Yeah.
So you live in Kyrgyzstan?
Yes. I'm
Do you study here? No?
I'm just came here to for holidays.
Okay. Where do you live then in Kyrgyzstan?
I'm living in Karakol with my parents.
Okay.
With my family, but I'm studying in China.
You study in China?
Yes.
Nice. What do you like? Do you like China or Kyrgyzstan?
For holidays, I like Kyrgyzstan because China is too hot actually.
Okay.
But also a lot of beautiful places there.
Yeah.
But here, like a family home. And do you know coffee shop Duet?
Yeah, Duet.
Duet? Yes.
Yeah, it's a hostel as well.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
one of my favorite places in Karakol.
No way.
Yes.
I'm gonna go there.
Really?
I've not been there yet. I'm gonna go.
It's you have to be. It's a really good place. I worked there last summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You lot heard that. If you lot come Karakol, you have to go Duet and have a coffee. Have a caramel latte with ice. So we're gonna wait for the bus to get full. Then we're gonna go to the sanatorium.
Also close to Karakol, we have one more sanatorium, Jeti-Ögüz Sanatorium. It's a really cool place because it's like nature water and nature dirt. So it's really good for relaxing and it's also good for health.
Are there sanitariums used a lot nowadays or not as much as before?
I know in the Jungkalan one, I know
Have you been to one?
I was on the Jeti-Ögüz Sanatorium.
Okay, how was it?
It was good actually. It's also nature
Yeah.
close to it and cottage and also the cemetery.
But the one we're going to is a bit different because on Google it says it's closed down, and I looked at a few pictures and it looks very run down. This is one of the oldest sanitariums about, so let's go check it out. You don't go further down, no?
No.
Ah, cool. Thank you.
Road taxi.
Alright, it's time to get out of here because the driver's not going further down. We gotta find a taxi to where I'm going next. For £1 I got so far. Taxi, how much?
Piet.
Huh?
Piet.
Piet. I wanna go here. I wanna go here.
Oh.
How much? How much?
Piet.
What? 500? No way. Man said 500. That is crazy. No way. No, 5. It's crazy. 500, no.
Every.
Elele. Every.
What pahos every.
Hey, 500 too much.
Muka.
100.
What ini?
Hey yo, these lot are charging way too much. It's definitely not 500. Yandex is telling me 600. Alright, I think the best thing we're offering is 300, yeah? Alright, 300, final.
Давай.
300, okay?
Давай.
Yeah, he's happy with 300 because you know 300 is a good price. Listen, I don't want to stand here for too long. I just want to get out of here. He's trying to say 500, 300. It's like £2, £3, so not bad. Assalamu alaikum. What's your name? It's a 5-minute walk. Apparently he can't go up there, so we're just gonna have to do the 5-minute walk. They want to walk in this heat because it's so hot over here. Gonna walk up there.
Machine.
Machine. Sweet geezer. Sweet geezer. Cheers, mate. Thank you, mate. Top man. But yeah, the views are so nice. You can see all the greenery over there, and then red rocks over there. Oh my days. Yeah, they got pictures of a swimming pool over there. Picture of a guy relaxing over there. Bro, I'm gonna go inside. I don't care. I've come all the way here for the sanitarium. I have to get inside. Over here you can see some doctors doing some kind of checkup. This is a Soviet spa. Oh my god. I don't even know what that says. Looks like we just jumped in. Don't think I'm meant to be here. I'm waiting to get told off. But look, they got the lake over here. And I think that's the place over there. It just looks like a little village. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
I want to do sanatorium.
Sanatorium?
Yeah. Sanatorium. You know sanatorium?
Yes.
This one over here?
Yeah.
Okay. How do I get across?
3 years
3 years closed.
close. 3 years.
Oh.
New sanatorium.
New sanatorium. This way?
That is on the.
And then all around that way, yeah?
Yeah. There.
Okay, cool.
Have-
You live here?
Yeah.
Your house?
Yeah.
Shall I show the camera inside?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm from there.
England.
England.
Yeah, London. Let's look at this lady's house before we go to the sanitarium, which is somewhere over there. I don't know if you can go inside, they're having renovation works. But let's look inside this lady's house. I want to see a normal house in the village. And this is where we are, inside someone's house right now. And look at it, it seems so nice. You have sewing machine?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. Nice, very nice. And this is living room, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, very nice. You have nice house.
Small.
Small, but it's nice, very nice.
Maybe next week.
Yeah? Big,
house.
inshallah.
Inshallah. Like
Inshallah.
this.
Inshallah.
Son in Russia and coming and after next year
Yeah.
big house.
Inshallah. Alright, it's time to go to the sanatorium now. I just wanted to show you how the house looks, but it's very nice, you know, nice, basic, by the water, overseeing this beautiful view. You got the rocks over there and them beautiful mountains. Very nice, huh?
Yeah.
You like the view?
Yeah, I like.
This is what I mean, the people in Kyrgyzstan, they're so beautiful, they're so nice to speak to, man. And I can just talk to anyone and ask anything, and if they speak English, they're willing to help. I'm gonna cut it short a bit. Let me end the video over here, and then when I get to the sanatorium, I'll turn it back on. Let's go. I wanna go that side. How much? Phone?
Yes.
I can't be asked to walk. Oh my god, it
Real
is
Madrid,
so
Sila.
hot. Huh?
Sila. Real Madrid.
Ala Madrid?
Yes.
1,000? No way. No. 200.
Oh, brother.
Come on, man. Just to other side.
600.
No, just to other side.
5.
No, man,
Five,
too
five.
much, man, too much.
400.
No, man, too much, man.
400.
I'm not even going for the pleasure. I just want to get to the other side. Simple, like. I'm not trying to enjoy the horse ride. Free. 300. Yalla. 300. Doesn't want to do 300. Let's walk away and see if he tells me to come back. That's the best way of bargaining. See what he says. He's gonna say yes to 300. Watch. He's not gonna argue with me.
Okay.
300?
Yes, 3.
What did I tell you? That's how you hustle. Hey, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Real Madrid. Sila.
Hey, let's go. Yalla. Habibi, hold my hand, bro. Bro, I can't reach, bro. How's this little guy doing it? I can't do it. Okay. Okay, hold this.
Oh, good.
I'm not even stable in this, man. Hey, yo, how old is this guy? I wonder. All around Kyrgyzstan, I've seen little boys and horses. Faster.
Fast.
Yalla.
Yalla.
Yalla, Habibi.
Alhamdulillah.
Can you read Quran?
Yes.
Go on, go.
Fatiha. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin.
Mashallah. We're on a horse in Kyrgyzstan with the beautiful view around me. Bro, this is so bumpy. Oh my god. Alright, it's time to go see if the sanatorium is open or not. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna find out. It says closed on Google Maps, but my friend said that they've been there, they've done what they had to do over there. So we're gonna go find out what's going on. And even if it's closed, we're gonna go inside, see if we can explore and have a look at it. So let's go. That's the sanatorium right there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get inside, man, but I've come all the way here just for that. So if I can't go inside, I'm not gonna be happy. But the thing's closed, bro. I've been trying to get in through these barriers, but nah, there's no entry, no gates or nothing. How do I even get in? Right, let's try through this gap. Alright, we're in. Let's try first to ask. Assalamu alaikum. Engineer? Salam. Riba, engineer. Sanatorium?
No.
Sanatorium? Da. Can I go inside?
Ну, не знаю.
I just want to look.
А посмотреть?
Yeah, just look.
Наверное, не пустит туда.
No?
Да.
Let me use some Google Translate and see if I can get a way to get inside, just to take some few videos and get out. Communication, little bit like hello, making him laugh, making him smile, little bit of Google Translate, and now we're going inside. You can see they got the props in there, They've got all the construction materials. They're ready to build this into a new sanatorium. Man, I wanted the old sanatorium. I wanted to see how it was the Soviet times. But this is the building right now. They've got props. They're still waiting for the glazing to go inside. I heard you could get the best massages in here. For £1, you get an amazing massage. Alright, let's go inside. Let's just follow this man and see what it's like. You can see it's all newly built, man. Oh, man. So this is what the sanatorium looks like now. Where's all the Soviet things? Let's have a look inside. So over here, they got the rooms. Over here are bedrooms. I don't know if this is flats or they're building a new sanatorium. I think this is flats now. I just wanted to go to a sanatorium. I'm upset. I just had a conversation with a guy who's working over here. And he just told me the sanatorium's closed. It's done. They're doing renovation works. So over behind me is the flats. And over there where we saw all the rebar before, that's where the sanatorium is going to be. There's going to be 2 buildings. So this building is going to be flats. And over there is going to be a new sanatorium. But man, they need to keep the Soviet sanatorium still going. Before we end this vlog, let's say bye to this fella. He's currently busy doing some welding. Oh my God. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. There you go, bye. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
That's the end of the video. You know what to do. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will go to a sanitarium. I promise you. I want to experience a sanitarium in Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, somewhere. I might have to go find one in Uzbekistan. But let's go. See you later.